In this video, we will cover how to add a tillage configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Tillage. Under the Configuration tab, press the Add button. Select the correct vehicle from the list. If the correct vehicle is not already in this list, press the Add button. Select the correct vehicle type. Enter in the vehicle's make and model. Press Next. Press the green check mark. Select the correct implement from the drop-down list. If the correct implement is not already in this list, press Add. Select the correct implement attachment method from the list. Press Next. Press the numeric keypad button and enter the full swath width of the implement. Press Next. Press the numeric keypad button again and enter the distance from hitch to application point. Press Next. Press the keypad button and enter in the implement's name. Press the green check mark after this is finished. Press the green check mark again. Select the correct polarity for an implement switch if one is being used. If one is not being used, press None. Select the correct ground speed sources. Your primary ground speed source should be set to GPS and your backup should be set to radar. Press the green check mark. We have now covered how to add a tillage configuration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.